We're going on an adventure.
We're Jenna and Jeremy.
In August 2020, we bought an RV.
In September 2020, we sold everything and hit the road full time.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff. Swan Valley, Idaho is a little over an hour west of Jackson, Wyoming. I'm not sure we would have explored this place if it weren't for a couple of good friends that were working at the South Fork Lodge right here along the Snake River. We're sure glad we made it to Swan Valley because it's a beautiful area with loads of outdoor recreation and it was really quiet. The 2018 census says Swan Valley had a population of just 231 people. Before this experience, Jenna and I did watch an incredible nature documentary about the state of Idaho, and it's a place I hope we will return to explore much deeper. Most of what goes on here in Swan Valley revolves around the Snake River, which begins in Yellowstone National Park, flows by the Grand Tetons, and makes its way through a total of 6 states before dumping into the Pacific Ocean. Fly fishing is a huge deal around here and something we'd never experienced. Our friends were excellent tour guides and we enjoyed multiple floats down the river. I even caught my first trout on a fly fishing rod. What's up, little dude?
We're going on an adventure. All right, I am using this rope to hopefully safely make my way down, and my goal is to make it over to the falls and see if I can climb up part of them. So going way over there, and I'm using this rope to climb down. All right, I made it down, heading through to get to the falls. Woo boy, I can feel the cold air, and it's only 74 today, and we're here in first day of October. Just south of Swan Valley, there's some excellent hiking near Palisades Creek and some beautiful spots along the Palisades Reservoir. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and make sure you've hit that subscribe button and turned on post notifications for more weekly travel videos. See ya.